Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'll be showing you my creamy shea butter body wash. This body wash is so moisturizing on your skin and it's not drying in any way. It has amazing lather as well and it's made with nourishing ingredients that your skin will love. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this body wash, so let's jump right in. I will list all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have so many other helpful DIY videos, so please check those out. I'm starting out with some melted shea butter. This is one of the best butters you can use on your skin. To this I'm adding my emulsifier. I'm using sunflower lecithin. You can use any emulsifier of your choice or you can skip it all together. The reason I'm using one is I want my liquids and oils to stay together. That way I don't have to shake it up every time I need to use it. I'm just going to mix up my oils and emulsifier together. You want to do this thoroughly so that way you don't have any clumps in your mixture. I'm using my little mixer to do this. So once everything is mixed up, you should have a nice smooth consistency. So now I'm going to do my xanthan gum and glycerin together. I add my xanthan gum to my vegetable glycerin and I mix that up very well, and usually I set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes so that way it has enough time to hydrate. I have my warmed distilled water. To this I'm going to add colloidal oats. Colloidal oats is so helpful for irritated skin, itchy skin, because it's anti-inflammatory. So once I add that in, I'm going to mix it up very well. I'm going to add my aloe vera gel next. I use processed aloe vera gel because it lasts longer than the fresh aloe vera gel. So once I put that in, I'm just going to mix very well. So now that I've combined my oils and water together, I'm going to mix very well. You want to take your time to do this so that way you don't have a separation of your oils and water. I'm using my stick blender just to speed up the process. So just take your time, mix everything all up so that way everything can be well combined. And this is what my mixture is looking like so far. I'm going to add my surfactants and cleansing agents next. I'm using two. The first one is Castile soap. Castile soap is gentle and it's able to cleanse your skin without it being harsh, and it's also good for sensitive skin. So I'm using that as well as cocoa betaine. That's the short form of this surfactant. This is also very gentle on the skin. So I'm using this too, but you can use only one if that's what you prefer to do. Next, I'm adding my preservative. Of course, you can use any preservatives of your choice. There are so many options out there. So once I've added that in, I'm just going to mix very well. I'm adding my xanthan gum next. When I add my xanthan gum, I usually mix it for about 30 to 40 seconds the first time, and then I set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I come back again and I mix it again for about 30 more seconds. The reason I do this, I don't want to over mix my xanthan gum. If you over mix your xanthan gum, you're going to have a lot of gooey blobs of xanthan gum in your mixture. So this is what I have so far. I have a creamy body wash consistency. So I would say the consistency you want depends on you. If you want something really thick, then you would adjust your xanthan gum or thickener accordingly. But this is what I have so far. I have a medium thick consistency, and I like this consistency. I don't always want my body washes to be so thick. So this made 16 ounces of product. I'm going to go on and package this up next. I'm going to show you how well this body wash lathers. It felt really good on the skin. It was a really nice, creamy, lightweight consistency, and the combination of Castile soap and cocoa betaine gave this body wash such great lather that felt so good on the skin. So if you're looking for a great moisturizing body wash recipe, definitely give this one a try. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all, and I will do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please like this video because that really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.